First thing we need to do when using the lifter is to turn it on. Open up the control box, and with this funny looking red key here, turn the isolator switch on. You have two settings. You can either use the remote or you can use the toggle on the side here. As you can see from the picture, the remote is setting number 2 and the toggle is setting number 1. Note too that the toggle is a dead man switch, meaning you have to hold it when operating. We're going to use the remote. Make sure the setting's correct, the key is turned on, and plug your remote straight into the plug here. On your remote, much like the toggle, you have two directions, up and down. And what we're going to do now is lower the lifter, bring it all the way down until it touches the ground. It will stop itself, and from here we can unfold it. Pull on the handle once, and the second handle twice, and then you have your ramp. Once you have whatever you're loading on the ramp in the center, you're then ready to raise it up. Hold the up button until we get all the way to the top, and you're good to go. Another useful feature of the lifter is to keep it halfway, and then you can use it as a step. This is really useful for couches or things that are heavy that you walk back up into the truck that wouldn't fit on the lifter. It's also useful for the lighter things like boxes, and where you can just use it as a step to run in and out of the truck as required. When you're finished with the lifter, everything is in reverse. So we bring the lifter down to the ground. Once it touches the ground, we fold it up again using our handles, and then raise it up to the top. And it will stop itself again. Then we take our controller out and turn it off.
1300 Truckhire.
Cairns owned and operated.